In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pop-up sign-up form in Kit. We'll walk through creating the actual pop-up, deciding when it appears to visitors, and then adding it to your website so it's live and ready to collect new subscribers. First, let's create the modal, which is just another word for a pop-up window. In your Kit account, head to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your lead capture tools live. At the top, click the Create New button, then select Form. Kit will ask you what kind of form you want to build. Choose Modal as the form type so that it appears as a pop-up over your page, rather than being embedded directly into the content. Next, you'll see a variety of templates you can start from. Pick one that fits your brand and layout needs. For example, a simple, clean design with a clear headline and a single email field. When you've found a design you like, click Choose. You can customize the text, colors, and fields later, but for now, the key part is that the modal structure is in place. Once your modal is created, it's time to decide when it should actually show up to visitors. At the top of the editor, click on Settings. In the left-hand sidebar, select Display Options. This is where you control the trigger, or the behavior that causes the pop-up to appear. You'll see a few different trigger types. Exit Intent shows the pop-up when a user moves their mouse toward closing the tab or browser, which is great for capturing people right before they leave. Scroll Percentage shows the modal after someone has scrolled a certain amount down the page, like 20 or 30%, which works well for blog posts or long pages. Timing shows the pop-up after a specific number of seconds, so you can give visitors a moment to look around before asking them to sign up. Choose the option that best fits your audience and how aggressive you want the pop-up to be. When you're happy with the settings, click Save. Now let's put the form on your site. In the top right corner, click Publish. Kit will generate a JavaScript code snippet for you. Copy that entire snippet, then paste it into either the head section or the footer of your website through your site builder or theme settings. Once that code is in place and saved, your pop-up sign-up form will start appearing based on the trigger you configured.